Tony here from Accelerate Auto Electrics and Air Conditioning on the Sunshine Coast. Today I'm going to show you one of our favourite features for towing. This is what we think is a must-have for everyone that's towing a caravan or camper trailer. So what we've got installed in Andrews Ranger is a Polaris in-dash multimedia centre. So it basically replaces the standard head unit. What it allows us to do is to hook up two reverse cameras. So we've got one at the rear of the car that allows us to see behind the car like a normal reverse camera could. But then we've also got one installed at the back of the camper van here, which allows us to see behind the camper van when towing. So I'll show you a few of the little features of it. So on the back of the Ranger, we've got your standard reverse camera, which is installed here. So that allows us to see behind the car when we're driving normally. We've also then got this WASA cable here that connects the car and the caravan. So we have to plug that in every time we tow to allow us to see behind the caravan. So let's go have a look at that. So on the rear of the caravan, we've got a camera here installed on the spare wheel. There's lots of different mounting options for cameras on caravans. We like the spare wheel one, it sits nice and tidy. There's ones that are same as on the Ranger. For taller caravans, there's ones that can sit up higher and look down. Also different colour options available. So this allows us to see basically behind the camper and generally the two lanes either side as well. So let's go have a look in the front of the car and look at the dash. So in the car we've got this in-dash unit. That replaces the existing one that came stock standard from the Ford. Basically in here you've got options, your standard ones, so radio, we've got a USB or SD card input, iPod connectivity or iPhone connectivity. It's got Bluetooth, so it takes over your normal call control and that sort of thing. It takes a CD and DVDs, and you can do it aux in. So then also we've got the feature of when I pop the car into reverse, on the screen we get behind, I've got a toggle switch here as well, so on the screen we get behind the car, and then using my little toggle switch, which is just located under my knee here, I can then flick that to display behind the camper as well. So that's really fantastic for overtaking on the freeway or anything like that. You can see what is behind you, you can see them coming up behind you and know when you've cleared them to change back into the lanes on both your left hand side and your right hand side. So this really is a must-have for safety, I think, when towing. It makes me feel a lot more comfortable when I'm towing because I can see all around me, and including behind the camper as well. There's lots of different brands available. So this is the Polaris. There's stacks of different brands that do different models to suit different cars. So there will be a different head unit for a Ford Ranger, for a Toyota Land Cruiser, for a BT50, just because of the shape and the space that comes standard from the dealer. So if you would like some advice and would like to get a camera, a dual reverse camera installed for your caravan or your car, you can give us a call on 1300 227 353. You can comment below, or you can send us an email to info@amae.net.au.